Your phone is draining you while you think you're in control. There are apps running right now without you opening them and without you even noticing. It's not a glitch, not a bad battery, it's settings you left turned on. Just 60 seconds, and you'll shut off 5 things. That will make your phone obey you, not the other way around. Don't blink. What's coming will completely change how you use your phone. First, stop background activity. An app doesn't need to stay active when you're not using it. Background activity equals silent battery drain and wasted data. Steps, settings. General. Background app refresh. Turn it off for heavy apps or turn it off completely if you don't need live updates. Result: less battery drain plus calmer data usage. Second, reduce notification pressure. Notifications are designed to pull you back into the app. Every notification equals screen on equals more consumption. Steps, settings. Notifications. Choose the app. Turn off unnecessary notifications and keep only what really matters. Result: the app is still installed, but it no longer controls your attention. Third, control mobile data usage. Some apps use data even when you're not aware of it. Steps, settings. Cellular. Scroll down to the app list. Turn off cellular data for non-essential apps. Then, cellular data options. Data mode. Enable low data mode. Result: apps use data only when they truly need it. Fourth, restrict location access. Not every app needs to know where you are all the time. Constant location access equals background activity. Steps, settings. Privacy and security. Location services. For each app, set it to while using the app and turn off precise location if it's not necessary. Result: longer battery life plus less background activity. Fifth, take control of updates. Automatic updates happen at times you're not ready for and suddenly drain data and battery. Steps, settings. Apps. App Store. Turn off automatic updates. Update apps manually when it suits you. Result: nothing changes without your permission. In the end, if you felt a real difference, even a small one, hit like so others can benefit too and subscribe, because in the next video we'll take specific apps and optimize them one by one for maximum efficiency. And tell me in the comments, which app used to drain your battery the most? I'll read every comment and we'll start from there.